Hello again, my fellow Europe traveler. Again, this is from C is Practical, She, letter S, Practical channel, okay? And I have been making plenty of videos on YouTube about how to make a reservation only if you already have your Eurailpass. It can be intimidating to try to do it by reading it on Google. So I make the YouTube video to make your life easier, okay? But one of the most challenging one, I agree, one of the most challenging one is OBB train or the night jet one. So I suggest, because I have no clue until now that website is very not user-friendly, just use this one. This one is very user-friendly. It's called Reservation.com, and pretty much you can use this website to make a seat reservation or bed reservation on the night train everywhere in Europe for a small fee. Another one to use also called Eurail.com, but that one is less user friendly. I found that this is better. Okay, raileurope.com, and then it's already in English, so click wherever you want. Like here, I click from Vienna, for example, to Budapest, okay, on March 28th, random. And I pick 4 a.m. there because I want to show you first on the morning train with no bed, just morning train. And then click how many adult are traveling. And then here, there's a little place on the bottom. It said, I have a rail pass. If you click there, they were asking you what rail pass do you have. Click there, I type global, Eurail Global Pass, because that's the pass I have. And Eurail Global Pass allow you to go to, I think now, about 31 countries in Europe. If you have different type of Eurail Pass, then type it there and it will come up, pick that one. Mine is first class, so I click first class and I said, okay. And then I said, search, and or, okay. Mine said modified because I just playing with them earlier. So click there, and then they will come out with the choices of seat reservation only. Okay, mine is from Vienna to Budapest. It's only 2 hours, and they cost me $13. Not bad, $13 on the second class, or $13 on the first class, right? So that's how easy it is. Now, how if you want to go on the longer distance? For example, from Vienna to Florence. Okay, let me punch them for you very quick. Let me pause my video so you will not get too bored waiting for me. Okay, here I am punching Vienna to Florence, and on the same date, I would just put the 4 a.m. I found out that for the long distance Vienna to Florence, it takes about 10 hours trip. There's no other train than night train. So I found out earlier. But here I am putting just 4 a.m. Okay. Don't even change it. You can change it if you want, to the evening time, but it's the same. There's no other train than the night train. Here also, don't forget, I have a rail pass. In here, what is your Ural pass? Of course, your Ural pass will have to cover Austria for Vienna and Italy for Florence. Mine is global pass. I just punch them first class, and I will say modify them. And then look. Okay, very quick. They're not there yet. I will just erase this one. Not necessary. Look, they come up with two different prices. For second class, $39. For first class, $85. What do they give you? Okay, and you notice, right? I was saying earlier that they will come out only about 7:23 p.m., arriving in the morning in Florence, 6:19 a.m. And when I click an earlier train here, they don't have earlier train because I don't know, for some reason Vienna to Florence is so far, 10 hours 56 minutes. It's a direct train, so it's a sleeping train. It's a direct train, and that's the only two trains available on this journey. Okay, so if you click, let's say you want a second class, they tell you what second class giving you. This one for $39, it's a reservation seat only for second class couchette, which is 6-bed cabin here, 6-bed cabin. So one cabin for 6 beds, six people. And if you want to upgrade to second class sleeper, they asking you for $23 more here. Okay, it's a second class, but 1, 2, 3 beds cabin. So a room, a cabin filled with 1, 2, 3 beds. Not bad, right? For 23 more extra dollars. But let's say you want a first class, okay? You upgrade them with 62 more dollars. Or earlier, okay? I'll put the arrow back earlier when they give you that choice. Oh, where are they? They go out. They exit. Okay, sorry about that. When you click the first class earlier, they give you a choices of first class and second class. Right away, pick. Oh, this one is not. They don't even fill it up with my information, you know, that I have a Eurailpass. Be patient, okay? I will pause the video again. Okay, after I click, I have a Reservation and Euro Global Pass first class, and I click the modify or search button. They will give me that choice. Okay, $85 if we want first class. Right away, you click there, and they will tell you what is in the first class. Here, click show on board services. If you click there, they will tell you get first class sleeper for $85. It is very expensive, right? It's 1, 2, 3 beds cabin, and they're giving you private shower and restroom, you know, all kind of jazz for that $85 price. So this is how you make a reservation on the night train, the easiest way, because that obb.com or oebb.at website is so temperamental, is so not user friendly. So this is the best way, you guys. Raileurope.com. So if you pick this one, you pick this one, and you know, book, select fare, and then go ahead with how to pay it, etc., etc. And that's the easiest way, right? So they're asking you about who are you, name and everything, and add to cart, and that's how you do shopping online the same way. Okay, guys, hopefully it does help you. Click like if you like. Hopefully this help you guys, fellow traveler in Europe and fellow Eurailpass holder. All right, have a good day. Bye bye.